this video, I'll be teaching you addition of mixed fraction. We have 2 whole number 1 over 2 plus 2 whole number 5 over 8. What we have to do is to add the whole numbers together, which is 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is going to give us 4, plus you bring down your fractions, 1 over 2 plus 5 over 8. Then this is equals to, you bring down your 4 whole number plus, we are going to check for the LCM of 2 and 8. The LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. 8 divided by 2 will give us 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 8 divided by 8 will give us 1. 1 times 5 is 5. And this is equals to, you bring down your 4 plus 4 plus 5 is equals to 9 over 8. 4 plus 9 over 8. If you notice, this is an improper fraction. We have to divide this. When you divide 9 by 8, we are going to have 1 remainder 1 over 8. So now this is equals to 4 whole number plus 1 remainder 1 over 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. We bring down our 1 over 8. And that is your answer. I hope you got this. Let's go to number 2. 2, we have 2 whole number 2 over 3 plus 3 whole number 1 over 6. The first thing I taught you is to add your whole numbers. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Plus, then you bring down your fractions, 2 over 3 plus 1 over 6. And this is equals to, you bring down your 5 plus, what is the LCM of 3 and 6? The LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 2 at the top is 4. Plus 6 divided by 6 is 1. 1 times 1 at the top is 1. And this is equals to, you bring down your 5 plus 4 plus 1 is 5 over 6. 5 plus 5 over 6 is equals to 5 whole number 5 over 6. And that's our answer. And finally, you can be wondering how are we going to solve this since there's no whole number here. But it's very easy. Since you don't have a whole number, you have 4 whole number 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4. You just bring this your 4 down since there's no other whole number to add here. So you bring your 4 down and bring down your fractions. And this is equals to 4 whole number plus, what is the LCM of 2 and 4? The LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 1 at the top is 1. Therefore, you have 4 whole number plus 2 plus 1 is 3 over 4. This is equals to 4 whole number 3 over 4. And that's our answer. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.